Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Coinbase wallet recovery phrase. Let's get started. First, log into your Coinbase wallet using your account credentials. Before we begin, it's important to understand what your recovery phrase is. Your recovery phrase is a set of 12 words that gives you full access to your Coinbase wallet. If you ever forget your password, lose your phone, or can't access your wallet for any reason, this recovery phrase is the only way to restore your wallet and regain access to your crypto. That's why it's extremely important to keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and click the settings icon in the bottom right corner. From there, scroll down and open the wallet section. You'll see an option labeled recovery phrase. Click on it. Coinbase will ask you to enter your password before revealing your recovery phrase. After entering your password, you'll need to confirm that you understand you'll never share your recovery phrase with anyone, including Coinbase. Check the confirmation box and click Next. Your 12-word recovery phrase will now appear on the screen. Write it down or store it securely in a safe offline location. That code. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.